Hey friends, if you encounter the error code 0x80072f8f-0x20000, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So there's a hotfix to this problem, and all you need to do is, actually it's mentioned on the Microsoft Answers forum. I'll share this link in the description section. Navigate to this hotfix, click here. It will download the hotfix. All you need to do is click on this, I agree, next, and then it doesn't apply on my operating system, but if it applies on yours, then complete the process. Okay, and it will fix your problem in most of the cases. But in the rare case that it doesn't fix your problem, try a disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Select the drive, click on OK, and then check all of these boxes here. Click on OK and then click on delete files. The last solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft service. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and finally click on restart to reboot your system in the clean boot state. Now I'll tell you what this clean boot thing does. The clean boot thing makes sure that no third-party program is started when you reboot your system, and this allows you to check and isolate the possibility of third-party interference causing the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.